Welcome guys, and in this short video I want to show you how I modded my fake JBL Boombox. I think I paid for this box $10 or $15, I buy it from Wish. It's real nice speaker. Of course it's Bluetooth, radio inside, and yes, that's what I really like. This speaker have built-in SD card slot. I just copied my old music, and I no need to pair with my phone and so on. So I can listen music directly from SD card. But sound quality is just plastic bucket. It's almost impossible to use. No bass at all. So I'm going to show you how I modded this cool, nice looking speaker. Just remove this part. No screws, no glue. Very easy to remove. Later, you cut those two pieces in the both sides. Don't be afraid, this is not real speakers. It's just visually. After this, you need makeup cotton pads. What you do, just fill it. Both sides, of course. And after that, you need something like this. I'm using my 3D printer. I made little bit nicer this inch. It's 65 millimeters wide that you can cut or some plastic or something and make this cap by yourself if you don't own 3D printer. If you own printer, I put link below so you can download this model and print by yourself. Later, when you fill speaker with cotton pads, of course you can use some glue. I'm using double-sided tape. Like this, both sides. Now we're going to attach this part. You see? Very easy. No glue, no screws. Just like this. Nice. Now we're going to test. Very cool and nice sound. We increased bass dramatically. You can feel it. And not only bass, but sound quality seems like changed a lot. And it's noticed very cheap sound, like plastic bucket sound. Enjoy, subscribe, and maybe I see you in my next video. Bye bye.